मैं बोलता हूँ यार ये सब छोड़ो, ग्लव्स निकालो, बॉक्सिंग के शुरू हो जाते हैं यार.
That was Aamir Khan. Now check out Shah Rukh's statement.
I don't think we would have any issue sitting on the same platform, sitting in the same plane, sitting in the same car, sitting in the same house, sitting hopefully one day in the same film. I don't think that would be an issue. And to be really honest, we are all grown-up people. And I would like to believe we are both very intelligent. Me a little less than Aamir, but we are both intelligent.
The press conference of producers, distributors versus multiplexes earned a historic distinction of bringing the erstwhile foes, Shah Rukh and Aamir Khan, together on the same platform.
प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इन बाहों को, इन राहों को, छोड़ ये झलिया जाए कहाँ, माना दिल तो है अनाड़ी, ये आवारा ही सही. अरे बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा के नहीं.
Moderator Karan Johar tried hard to keep the media focused on the topic. Let's see what happened.
That again is a question not really dealing with the issue, sir, so I'm sorry I won't be able to take
It's
that.
relating to that issue.
No, but
Shah Rukh,
thank you.
maybe
We'll have to end all the questions.
You can offer a
I think
solution to the producers and the exhibitors.
I think 1 minute, ladies. Please, you'll have to bear with me while I have to say something.
Shah Rukh, Aamir, maybe
Please,
you can
आप बैठ
offer
जाएं. 1 minute और मांगेंगे हम आपका.
Time for some Q&A.
Got to know from a foreign studio executive that when the Spider-Man franchise released in India, the multiplexes gave them 70% and they kept 30%. If they can do that for a foreign studio, I see no reason why they can't do it for our fraternity. So I don't know if any of you are aware of it or...
Neither do we.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was not aware of that. Indian multiplex, national multiplex chains gave
Spider-Man
70%.
Okay,
Is that so?
That's
very heartbreaking then. यार. बड़ी अफसोस की बात है यार.
And
क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब मैं तारे ज़मीन पर बना रहा था, शाहरुख बोला था छोटी फिल्मों को प्रॉब्लम होती है. मैं 2 एग्जांपल देता हूँ. क़यामत से क़यामत तक लगी थी, मेरी पहली फिल्म थी. चौथे हफ्ते में वो 96% पोजीशंस पे पहुंची थी. अब आप ये फॉर्मूला उस पे अप्लाई करिए. अगर वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होता तो आज मैं यहाँ बैठा नहीं होता.
Because just now I came from a press conference for a film called Chaurasta, and they were telling that thanks to the multiplex ongoing tussle, our film will be released on 17th in the multiplexes. Because that is a Calcutta-based production. So is there a shoot for these people that if you're making a film in Calcutta or Trivandrum, you can easily come and release without abiding by the rules here?
Sorry, it's like I just said कि ये कोई show of power नहीं है, ये कोई rule setting नहीं है, ये किसी को forcibly नहीं किया जा रहा. यहाँ पे जो सब लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, जितने भी ये collective voice है, एक ओपिनियन है, डिस्कशन के लिए ओपन है, नेगोशिएशन के लिए नहीं, डिस्कशन के लिए ओपन है कि विच इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू गो फॉरवर्ड. इसके अंदर जितने लोग भी इसके साथ हैं, दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम एंड वी थैंक देम. जो नहीं हैं, हम उनको ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम आपको जो है किसी तरह का रोक लगाएंगे, उसको डराया जाएगा, धमकाया जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बट उनको ये समझना चाहिए, as you mentioned, say 1 or 2 films, I would like to on behalf of all of us say this, कि this in the long run is going to be amazingly beneficial for the smaller films. What we are saying is, let's be on board, let the big guy help you fight this fight for the small guy.
This question is for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Sir, you just said that the house is not in order, pipeline ko theek kar rahe hain. But they made an example out of Aa Dekhe Zara, the multiplex chain, and they did not at all release it, and then they released Tasveer. So do you think that the discussion, the platform is not the same anymore? I mean, you're trying for a dialogue and they're just giving you that we'll make an example out of every new film that...
No, I think the reason for all this happening for 1 or 2 films just pre what we all decided to come together is mainly the reason we've come together. कि अभी क्या है, singularly हर कोई जो है अपनी फिल्म को लेकर आगे बढ़ता है, अपना नेगोशिएट करता है. What we have now decided is कि we will fight for equal rights for everyone. So जैसा आ देखें ज़रा के साथ हुआ, या तस्वीर, I think they had already told us कि before the strike they will release it, pre the strike, because एकदम ready हो गए थे, उनकी जो promotion थी वो शुरू हो गई थी.
The overseas, apparently, it's a 50-50 thing. The distributor and the theatre owners, they get a 50-50 kind of thing. What is stopping from the same thing applying in India as well?
As far as overseas is concerned, the different countries have different systems. It's not 50-50 everywhere. In a large number of places, it is 50-50. But in some places, nut price is paid, which is something which covers the operational costs of the multiplex. Thereafter, the distributor gets 80%, not 50-50. Sometimes 90%. This is a system that we have been following even in India. But we understand that multiplexes today are new in the business. They are going through infrastructure costs that they're putting up. But so are our corporates who have come in, new corporates who have come in the production and distribution sector. And each sector has to look out for its own affordability.
It was truly a memorable moment that will remain etched in the collective memory of billions of people the world over. Wonder when can we see them together in a film. This is Faridoon Shahryar with cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.
हर हिंदुस्तानी को मौका मिले मेरी फिल्म देखने का।
वो सिर्फ हाथ जोड़कर मल्टीप्लेक्सेस के सामने खड़े रहते हैं और ये फिल्म बस प्लीज रिलीज कर दीजिए। बड़ा जिद्दी है यार ये। हम में से कोई भी इस फोरम के लीडर नहीं है।